eating a Snickers bar. And while you're eating it, going... Next time I have me a Snickers bar, which I almost never eat them. Except for during Halloween when you get the tiny versions. Next time I eat one, I'm gonna go... Next time, you know what? When Mr. Bun comes home with no context whatsoever, I'm gonna go to him. And I'm gonna be like, honey, I'm hungry. And he's gonna be like, you good? You okay? Let's see. Honses do be grass engines. They really are!